Hi, everybody. Glad for the opportunity to at least take just a moment here and say Merry Christmas. It's been a rough year for so many people, and yet there are still blessings. And I'm thankful for the blessing I have in all of you that are taking classes from me and are learning how to maybe improve your art. Maybe some of you are learning from scratch and you've never done it before, and you're bringing that blessing into other people's lives. I know it's been hard, and it's so nice to be able to change the mode. There's so many people walking around lost, and I'm so glad I can go up to them and say, God bless you. I maybe even keep you in my prayers if they are desiring that. I am glad to have hope and a future for myself, and I'm glad that we can all come together in a positive way and again learn how to express ourselves and share that blessing with others because it lifts their spirits. And so let's keep doing what we're doing, and we'll keep sharing. I appreciate that so much. So many of you have been such an encouragement to me, and you're really mentors in your own way. It goes both ways. So if you want to, go down to the link in the description, and there's a sale for the art membership, art studio membership, and check out that. And again, don't forget, let's keep seeing your work. You can do it over in the community. You can do it on Facebook. You know, there's many ways that you can go ahead and share that and encourage other people. And anyway, I just pray that this will be a better year next year for all of you. And maybe you can make it a better year for somebody else by sharing your artwork and your expression. We'll see you. Thank you very much.